I don't go work. I let her think.
Baby, wait first. I want us to talk.
Talk again. You men and drama. Why now? I'm running late for work, I beg.
No.
Well, that you can see, whatever it is can wait when I return. I'm running late. Besides, why didn't you raise the topic last night?
Because this is the appropriate time for us to talk about it. So that when you're working out there, everything that I'm about to tell you, you'll be working towards it as well.
Okay. No problem. What is it? But make it brief.
Okay. You know, Christmas is around the corner. And me, I need money for Christmas, Orishi and all that. Buying stores. I need to hot.
Babe, we are still in November now. We still have few weeks to Christmas. So why the pressure?
This was the same scope you used for me last year and last 2 years. But you see this one, even the village people knows that this one cannot work. Because me, this December, I must hot. So go and tell your village people that one. Me, I must hot. All the time complaining.
I'm not stopping you from hotting. Baby, I am not even complaining either. I'm just reminding you that we are still in November. We still have few weeks to Christmas. So why the rush?
I know the rush. See Christmas and to just jump enter. You think say it far? Christmas here, backyard here. It's not like I'm pressuring you or something. I'm just trying to give you a reminder.
Hi. Okay. Write down whatever you want for Christmas, okay? When I come back from work, give it to me. Can I go now?
Chelo. I'll write it too. I'll write everything.
Yeah.
But you must buy everything.
No problem.
Okay, you can go. Bye-bye. Go on.
Just like that. Huh?
Yes,
so no kiss, no hug, no have a nice day.
Go and bring the Christmas money first. See, if you bring it, I'll do everything. You know me now. I'll do everything. Aqua. Baby, good job.
I don't know. Oh, God. Some.
For Christmas pressure, no be small pleasure. For Christmas is around the corner. Time to cruise, I must be long. Go here, Christmas is around the corner.
Thank you for helping me get this house, man.
Okay.
The only thing is that anytime, any day you need any landed property, either you or your friends, just give me a call and I'll deliver.
Oh, come on, sure. This is evidence that you can deliver, man. I've seen it.
I have to be on my way now, right? Anytime,
I'll see you.
Just call me.
Sure, bro. Wow. I love it. Marcelo, why are you doing
I
here?
should be asking you that. I'm area of this now.
Are you serious?
Which one is serious? See my house now.
Bro, I just got this house now. My wife is coming to Nigeria for this Christmas. And my parents are coming to welcome her too. So, come on, I need to represent, you know? Yeah, this is my place. I just got it now.
What thing you got? Like you buy them?
I paid cash. I just deliver it to me now.
You don't buy here?
Yeah, bro.
Guy, cut soap for me.
Marcelo,
okay. Deliver.
Not to go kwa.
You just bought here?
Just right now.
Nah, guy, cut soap for me.
Cut soap for you.
Marcelo.
One day.
Roland.
Marcelo, one day.
He made you go Christmas pressure.
What do you mean by that?
You have conquered Christmas pressure.
Oh, I don't understand, man.
Like, are you by here?
Yes, just now. My
bro, this calls for celebration.
Sure, man. Come on, let's put up somewhere. Eh? Let's go somewhere. And...
Cut soap for me. Kevin
I just park here. What do you mean?
What do you mean? What is going on? Roland bought a house of 100 and something million naira in preparation for Christmas. Hey, it's like I'm the only one that is not preparing for this Christmas. Are you serious? 100 and something million naira house for Christmas. No. I won't be left out. I won't be left out.
Now, how are you?
Mama, I'm blessed.
Thank God you are fine. Good health is everything in life.
You can say that again, Mama.
Masilongwam, on a quick one. You know, Christmas is by the corner. We have to start preparing for it because everybody in this village is already talking about it.
Oh, Christmas pressure. Mama, I know Christmas is around the corner. So, how are we preparing?
Okay, you have to start sending money for me for a bag of rice.
Bag of rice? Okay, how much is bag of rice in the village?
Okay, it's 55,000 naira here.
55,000 naira? But I bought it for 35,000 naira here in the city now. Does it mean that a bag of rice is more expensive?
You mean you bought a bag of rice 35,000 naira in the city?
Yes, Mama, I bought a bag of rice for 35,000 naira here in the city. You know what? Don't bother. I will bring a bag of rice while coming back. I will buy it myself.
Okay, Nwam. God bless you. I'm expecting you soon.
Thank you. Hey, Christmas pressure. Christmas pressure everywhere. Mama is calling. Roland just bought a house. People are buying cars. I will never be left behind. I am pushing car.
I must be long. I no go carry last.
Oga, the car is in order now. I've fixed it.
I hope everything is in order.
Everything is in order.
Okay. There will be no need for that. How much is your money?
25,000 naira, sir. But if you add Happy Christmas, we go greet you.
That's okay.
Because of Christmas season. This season is very, very hot. Yeah. If you know why, they go chop you, kill him out like chicken.
Customer,
very
you don't finish your car.
Yes, so the car is ready.
How much he tell you?
25k.
25k. Why you go tell him 25k?
I hope everything is in order because...
Take.
Go,
Oga in my shop, go buy oil, then keep 2k for yourself.
Were you around?
They ask me. Check your car now, check it.
No.
Hurry up. Hurry up, my guy. I give you money, won't collect us. This guy.
If you say this your boys, they don't work.
This my organ idiot. I swear I go strangle her one day. They're mad. Money why I don't budget finish. My babe own day, my mama own day. The one where I go use drink day. The one where I go use do doings day. You just come out collect money. I go strangle you. Bro, follow me joke.
I heard you want to strangle someone.
Now my enemies I want strangle, sir. Sometimes they're my enemies.
Better for you. Go and get what I asked you to get. Fast.
Okay, sir.
Rubbish boy.
No reasonable.
You want to strangle me, Abby? Never saying it.
Why do you guys have to finish now? Eh? Now that Marcella has gone to work.
Why is she calling? I hope it's not big. Make it not be Christmas pressure. Hello, baby? Hey, baby, let me call you back. I'm busy. Let me call you back. I'm busy.
You don't have to call me. You don't have to call me back. Gas has finished. I have not even started preparing the ukwa you asked me to prepare for you.
Gas has finished. What's the problem now? Nowadays, gas don't even last. We bought that gas a few days ago. Now, gas has finished. You know what? Go to that guy that sells gas down the street, Tell him make him do you 3k gas. Our bank app no they open. Once I come back in the evening, I will give him his money.
Okay.
Toothpick go finish for house, they go call me. Maggi go finish, they go call me. Toothpaste go finish, they go call me. And this thing make nobody want marry girl when no get work. Huh? Can't you buy anything? I found a boom working up. I could. Toothpick. That's it.
Bros, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Welcome.
Thank you, bros. My guy said make you run 3K for you.
3K.
Eh.
No, the last gas when you connect, you never pay that money. You promised that day say you will give me the money after 2 days. Now more than 3 weeks, I never see the money. So I don't feel give me gas without no pay.
Bros, you sure?
Come now. I want that give you. Come now. Come. You promised that day say the next day you give me the money. So for more than 3 weeks, I never see the money. I don't feel give me credit. I better not vex. And my business are the one like this. I beg.
You pick now.
No. So that I never been sunset. What's happened?
I dey call, I know they pick now.
I better not vex. I don't feel give you gas like that. Honestly, I don't feel give you. I better not vex.
Christmas wall, no be small thing. Everybody want to make up for Christmas. Everybody want to flex.
Babe, how far now? How this your Christmas go be now?
I'd rather keep it to myself. I won't tell you my plans yet.
I don't understand. Meaning, who knows you? Who know you?
Look at this one. Look at who is talking.
What's up?
Adele.
What's going on?
Nothing much. So, how is this Christmas going to be? As usual, of course. The guys who really spend on us to look good. Well,
This is hot season. For Christmas. Christmas.
how are you guys going on with your men? Because as for me, I already have Roland, Chris, and JP. Exactly the way I want it. So the only thing left now is for them to start paying. So I don't know about you guys.
you're really lucky. Aaron is still telling me stories. Like I'm tired of that guy. But trust me, he doesn't know what's coming his way. I am going to leave him for any guy who's ready to spend on me. Trust me.
Okay, Joyo. Voila.
But wait, why is this your guy stingy? Why? Eh? I remember last year, he did nothing for you. And if time is not taken, he's going to do the same this year.
That is his plan. I won't lie to you. And trust me, I am going to take him unawares. Really,
Good
I am
for
going
you.
to take him unawares.
Good for you.
Anyways, I have this guy I'm chatting with on Facebook. Yeah, and from all indications, he's showing interest in me.
Hey, girl. Girl, now you, now you. I want to be like you when I grow up. See, guys, you see this Christmas, we are going to shut it down.
Of course.
The pressure is getting.
What's up?
Getting.
What's up?
Getting.
Christmas pressure.
My question is, why didn't you pick my call when I called?
I've been there busy that time when you call. And they work for one car. No vex now.
You did busy. And you knew you were going to be very busy and you asked me to go and fill up the gas. Eating you at 3K without giving me 1 naira. Eh? Thank you for the embarrassment. I'm a name Mama, but thank you very much. Thank you.
Calm down, man. You know, so I don't just fit to embarrass you. Eh? Relax now.
I know saying wait till you go talk. I know saying I'm sorry now you go talk. Leave me I beg.
Do.
You said I should write the things I'll be needing for this Christmas celebration.
Yes.
I've written it down.
Okay, let me see. Three shoes, 4 handbags, 2 human hair. They play. One bag of rice. None of oil. iPhone 12. One goat, one chicken. Total 750,000 naira for Christmas. Baby, now Jesus Christ birthday, no be your own birthday. So it's too much. I will give you 50,000 naira. That is what I can afford as a mechanic. Jide?
50,000 naira. Your mates out there, they are busy giving their girlfriend 2 million, 10 million just for ordinary Christmas celebration. 750,000 naira is now too much.
My mates are giving my ritualist mates or my Yahoo mates. Which one are you talking about? I'm a mechanic, don't forget that one. Which one is 750k? See, now Jesus Christ birthday, no be your birthday. You could have not use Christmas pressure kill me. My mama don't call her own. Tell me all the things one supposed to buy, including bag of rice. You now, you carry your own list, come 750,000. Now you be the Jesus Christ where they celebrate. I beg na 50,000 I will give you. Don't use Christmas pressure kill me.
My love, I'll take it back again. Well, babe, see everything inside this list. 750 pa. I know you give it to me. Oh, dogo kibo. We cannot dogo. My love, I'm waiting.
This is hot season. For Christmas.
Chris, what are you talking about? I can hear you, Chris. You are supposed to be talking about how to make my Christmas a memorable one. Not you asking me to come to your house and spend the night. Am I supposed to remind you that it's Christmas already? No, we are not discussing anything else except that. If you're not telling me what to gift me this Christmas, then don't talk at all. Don't say anything.
Our boys them want to meet up because of Christmas season.
Now you're talking. Of course, I love gifts. Okay, let me quickly make a wish list. I'll get back to you now. Bye.
Nobody want to carry last. Nobody want to carry last.
Yes, I did, babe. You don't mean it. Babes, you're on top of this case. What are you not telling me?
It is Christmas already. If you have not been interested in a man, now that it's Christmas, be interested in him. Do you understand? Accept any man that asks you out. Now Christmas will talk about it.
Babe, wait. What if he asks for the other thing?
Wait till he asks me. Give him now. Now Christmas will talk about it. Not be New Year festival, be Easter. Now Christmas. You need to use what you have to get what you want. So what if you have before they do it before? They need to chop you.
Why are they loud out?
Get out, please. iPhone 15 Pro Max.
Babe, add extra hair for me. I'll be red.
I haven't talked to you. That's what they do. They don't train you. They don't train you.
The guy get me.
Shut up. Okay.
Babe, add slippers.
Shoes.
Baby, don't do now.
6 bucks.
Jesus. Do you want to finish this guy's money?
You can say it again, oh. Now Christmas we'll talk about.
No, only you do the Christmas.
The grace.
And relax.
The grace, let me do you.
One blessed person never find rich to get all those things.
Let me do you.
Natasha.
Let me tell you if I don't find.
You too do.
You too do too.
You too do.
Jealous, now you go kill you.
Natasha.
iPhone 15 will just come out that day.
You
shut up. Shut up. You can broke.
You go
I will get out. Borobo.
Shut up. You.
Not be Borobo the one.
Shut up.
Leave me alone. Not only you dey.
Natasha.
Christmas. Not only you dey do the Christmas.
Excuse me.
iPhone 15 will just. You know what that the guy will buy bag of rice, mama.
May they dey sleep.
Let's not get money to talk. Talk.
I don't even get time for you, borrow post.
Do you know that you are very mean? This thing's too plenty. But Afa, add hair for me. Just make hair be the last thing. Just. I beg.
You can add hair for you. You are like vulture. You can add hair for you. They crazy. My poverty now they do you so.
Everything.
Now your own even worse. You know, see, you go even buy you ordinary beans. Chop.
You get boyfriend, but you beg.
Oh yeah, insult me.
I beg.
I beg for my body.
I beg, make I hear word.
This week where you
everything where you get, make I hear word, oh, make I hear word.
I no go carry last. This is hot season. Pressure there. For Christmas season. Christmas pressure. No be small pleasure. For Christmas season. Christmas is around the corner. Time to cruise. I must be long. Go here for Christmas is
So,
What is it now? Stop. What is it? Stop. It be like walk. Like that make you sleep. You know walk. I beg. Just sleep. Sleep.
You walk. You know what I want. Why are you dramatizing? Huh?
I know what you want and I'm dramatizing. You know, if you cannot meet up with all the things I wrote on that list, if you cannot meet up with my need this Christmas, Etiko is not for lazy men.
Eh?
Yes.
So I can't touch you again because I did not meet up with your Christmas list. Eh? Like, are you serious? I can't touch you again because of Christmas list.
Acha.
No, nah, baby, this is unfair now. Why are you going to put me under this kind of pressure now?
You say what? What is unfair? What is unfair? Me putting you under pressure. You know, your mates are out there buying cars for their building houses for their girlfriends. You are telling me you are going to give me 50,000 naira. Hey! No now. No now. You are very wicked though. No now.
Reason my source of income before they give me a bill. Calm down now. I tell you, say you go better. You go better very soon. Everywhere go soft. You go better. No ban me from this engine.
Who sing that song? You go better. The person know they tire. All the time he go better. He go no money. He go better. No money. He go better. Sure you dey whine me sef. I don't tire for that song. Stop him. Stop him.
See, babe, you can't do this to me. Calm down now.
For waiting, I don't already do. See, let me tell you, at this point in time, I want to go out there and go and get a guy. December, I will dream hot. That will make me hot this Christmas. Because you see, your village people cannot affect this my dirty December. I must be hot. Yes.
Don't go there. Listen, don't even go there.
See me inside.
Don't go there.
See me inside. I'm swimming inside. Don't go and make. If you like, see, I'm not forcing you. But you see, this thing I just told you, that's what I'm going to do. So if you like, you hustle hard and meet up with your mate. Or you leave it. But you see this December, it must be dirty. You will not see it again.
This is hot season. For Christmas season. Christmas pressure.
If you are not going to meet up, my love, you can't. You know, I'm saying it. It's for men. Odogu. I don't know.
So, Iba will go from the cup.
Yes. If my legs will remain closed till further notice, till you meet up.
What is it, Dingy? Watch you.
Yes, I'll watch you.
Watch you, Dingy.
I'll watch you. Okay.
So, something that God gave you free, you're doing shakara with it.
Leave am.
You dey pay tax.
Leave am. You give me free, oh show free.
Time to cruise. I must be long. Go here fair. Christmas is around the corner. Time to cruise. I must be long. I no go carry last. Everybody don't shout.
My
Wait,
husband.
my wife.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, please sit down. This one you visited this early morning. I hope all is well.
All is well. I just came to find out how you are preparing for the Christmas. Have you contacted our son, Marcelo? You know, Christmas is tomorrow. Every family is preparing in a very big way. Yeah, everybody. So we are not going to be. It's our own different.
Don't worry, we will not be left behind. I spoke with him yesterday, and he promised to send a bag of rice home.
1 bag of rice? No, one cannot be enough.
You want him to send 10 bags?
No! He should send 2, even 3.
Don't worry.
1 for you, 1 for me, and then 1 for reserve. That's how it is done.
Even if it's the 1 bag, we can share.
How can we share 1 bag of rice for Christmas? Okay, even if we share it, what happens in January? You know, January is a more critical month than December.
Forget about January and February. What we are doing now is Christmas. Let's just celebrate the Christmas. Then January and December, God will provide what we eat then.
That is the problem. That is where people get it all wrong. How can you spend everything you have on Christmas and New Year? January, hunger is everywhere. January, everybody is knocking. No, it doesn't make sense to me. Okay? So you must have something reserved for January. That's what I'm saying.
Don't worry. What we eat January and February will come. Let's just celebrate this Christmas. Christmas is at hand.
It is
Let's
wrong.
celebrate
What's all this now? Why is this thing so?
Happier.
I cannot leave it now. That can be from this Odubu. How can you be telling Odubu by this time of the year? No, it doesn't make sense to me. Yeah. We should be talking about rice, beans, tomatoes, in fact, meat. No, that's what I'm saying.
This one you remembered me today. Hello?
Hello, babe, how are you?
I'm fine. This one you remembered me today. Hope I'm safe.
But I always have you in mind.
You always had me in mind, but you have never bothered to call me since.
But you remember I call you once in a while, or have you forgotten?
Lucas, the last time you called me was 15th of February. And ever since then, you have not called me again.
I'm sorry about that. I'm calling you to tell you that I'll be coming home this Christmas.
That would be nice, but it's no longer going to be business as usual.
How do you mean?
The last time you came back, you promised me heaven and earth. But immediately you got what you wanted, you just disappeared. But immediately you got what you wanted, you just disappeared. Disappeared. But immediately you got what you wanted, you just disappeared. But immediately you got what you wanted, you just disappeared. But immediately you got what you wanted, you just disappeared.
That is done.
Wow. Okay. When are you coming back?
I'll be coming back either on the 23rd or 24th of December.
Okay. No problem. I'll be waiting.
Alright, my baby. Talk to you later.
Alright, take care. Bye.
This is settled.
Yes. Hi, baby girl. What's up? You're not going out? No. Chris is coming to see me.
Oh, okay.
Where are you heading to?
You know, I just need to stroll around the city. You know, Christmas is around the corner. I need to hustle. I need to hustle hard to get what I want.
Hello.
You know what I mean?
No, hello, babe. Just take care of yourself and be careful.
Alright, I will. Bye. Bye. Be good, okay?
You too. Hey, Chris, baby. morning, baby. What? You just spoiled my day. Really? You got me there. Why would you say that? Okay. Dressed up to where? But you never told me you would be taking me for shopping. Okay, well, anyways, since you just said it, I'll just go get ready. Alright, baby. See you soon. Bye, sweet. Yay! Are you kidding me right now? I will not waste 1 minute.
Oh, this is good. You see, a man really needs to plan himself very well. Yeah? So that you don't fail, because when you fail to plan, you have already planned to fail. Yeah? Or for instance, let me tell you, if Marcelo fails to bring me a bag of rice this Christmas, I have a plan B. I'll simply fall back on my savings. I'll simply fall back on my savings because I know I have a whole lot of cash in that savings.
Papa!
How are you?
Good morning, Papa.
Good morning. You look so wonderfully cheerful this morning. What's the good news?
Papa, somebody is asking for my hand in marriage.
Awesome. Ezoku, this is good news. Good news! Wait, I hope he is young, handsome, and rich. That is, rich enough to load us with cash. Rich enough to make this December a December to remember. This Christmas a Christmas to look forward to. Every year, Christmas. Every year, Christmas. Yeah.
Papa, you're so funny. Don't worry, he has money.
He has money? That is what we need. In fact, he is already my in-law. He has my blessing already.
That is all you care about. Money, 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 rich, rich, rich. Have you asked her what the said man does for a living?
What is my business?
Ejuge.
What is my business?
Oh, you don't have business there.
I don't need to ask you. Woman, sit down. Sit down somewhere. What are you talking about? What is my business with what the young man does for a living? It's not my business. Listen to me. Wherever money comes from, let it come. The important thing is let money come. From any angle, let it come.
From any angle?
Yes. That is why people go into so many things to make money. Even your Bible, which you claim you read. If Wakwisi can marry, it doesn't make sense to me. Because you read your Bible upside down. The Bible tells you money answers all things. You know what it means? Money stops nonsense.
Stop.
I agree with you, Papa.
Yes, you will agree with your father.
Why would you agree with me?
Like father, like daughter, that is what you are. Base of the same feather. You agree with him. I agree with you, Papa. Yes, no problem. Have you ever asked the man what he does for a living? Have you asked him?
It doesn't matter.
And you accepted him immediately without asking questions? Ifugonian. And you are preaching to me that money answers all questions. Money stops nonsense. Yes. Yes. They will soon use you for ritual.
Don't remind me.
Money answers all questions. Money stops nonsense. Ask the man what he does for a living. You said no. You are preaching to me. Money, money, money. Did I read Bible at all? If you're not going to go Bible. You are now reading Bible. You are teaching me what is written in the Bible, isn't it? Nenuga Fonshus. Yeah. You are telling me what is written in the Bible. No problem. Continue.
Oh, look at you. Hey. When you see councillors and presidents and all, you bow to them. What are they doing there? What do they do there?
They
My in-law, you want my young in-law? I will tell my young in-law to enter politics. Yeah? When he enters politics, hey, we will grab the money. In fact, I will tell him to contest for election. He will run for presidency. And what do we do? Grab it, run it, grab it, snatch it, run with it, and tell the opponent to go to court.
Yes, so.
Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen.
Nothing is happening, Papa.
Look, we'll buy the whole of Africa.
Everybody don't shine eye.
Marcelo, my guy.
Are you be the customer we want to enjoy it? What's the sub now? Now your mom?
Yes, now one of my mobs now.
When you pick this one now?
Yes, he did. He might go December now. We support enter village in a nice way now.
This Christmas pressure is real. You go pick a banana.
Yes, la.
Now what is the sub now? Make gonna cut some for me now. I the dollar. What is the sub? What is the secret now? Yesterday, Roland go buy a new house. Today, you go buy a new car. Christmas pressure is real. I'm left out, brother. What is the sub? Update me.
Our laptop, bro. Eh? Laptop? One Okoye joke guy.
Laptop?
Yes, now.
You dey pay?
Yes, now.
Laptop? Is that what he's paying Roland to?
I got my guy. He's paying.
Laptop? I swear I'm buying laptop today. Which type the papers?
HP now. HP, normal laptop.
HP?
Yes.
I'll buy it today on the line most. Okay, I follow now. Hey!
I will change oil for me.
Wait, now bring your oil first.
Come, as they work.
Mickey.
My God. Oh, yeah, don't worry.
Christmas pressure.
We don't need cancer. My God.
This Christmas pressure, eh? Wow.
Hey, this guy is very funny.
Who?
He's one of the guys I met online. And I'm trying to get close to him. Guess what? He's playing hard to get. And what's funny?
Are you serious right now? All the guys know that Christmas is around the corner. That the girls are just coming around them to build them. They are smart. They are not foolish.
What are you trying to say? You see this guy? I must get him. It's a must. I must get him. Even if it is hair. Like money to get the hair I want. I will get it from him. Whether he likes it or not, trust me. I will get it. Hey, what's up, babe?
I have so many packages. Let me help you.
What's up?
See, you know that we are not good with all these guests and things. So just tell us the good news.
What's going on? You want to hear it?
Yes.
Chris took me out today and bought me all of this.
You don't mean it.
Check it out.
You don't mean it.
Hey,
Jesus, am I a spoon? Am I a spoon? Check it out. I don't want to spoil it. Let me know, please.
After you go say you no use jazz on these guys. You dey do jazz. You use jazz.
I don't
You use
now.
jazz.
I don't be a man. And that is not all.
Jesus.
Roland promised to give me 1 M tomorrow.
1 million. Hey! God.
You don't mean it.
Please,
1
pass me
million.
Pass me
If I see anybody will give me 1 million like this, my life don't change.
I don't do anything.
Hey. You can't just tell me you did anything and he's gifting you all these things.
Chris!
Don't stand that back.
Imagine me on this bar.
Do not stand that back.
On the
please.
25th. Baby. My love, are you in the bathroom? I don't get like you. I don't get Christmas pressure. Fall out.
From all indication, you cannot maintain me in a relationship. I guess I'm too costly for you to keep and maintain. So my best bet is to walk away. Already you are beginning to see it as I am putting you under immense pressure and I don't want to continue. So I have to quickly walk out of your life. Don't bother looking for me, calling or chatting me on any social network handle because I have already blocked you everywhere. Goodbye.
Now why I don't conquer Christmas pressure? And she leave me. This can't make sense. If she comes back begging, I will never accept her. I will never. I've gotten my laptop. Don't worry. Is this a prank?
Ladies, you want to look good because of Christmas season. Our boys them want to meet up because of Christmas season. This season is very, very hot. If you know why, they go chop you, kill him out like chicken. Everybody want to.
You sounded so happy on the phone. What's the good news?
You remember Lucas now? That guy I met last year, December.
Wait, the one that took advantage of you and ran back to the city?
Yes.
Yes, what about him? You know I never got to meet him in person.
I know, but there is good news. Okay. He said he's coming back this Christmas.
Christmas is by the corner and he wants to come back. Sleep with you and run back to the city again.
That's never going to happen. Because I told him he will come and meet my father and make his intentions known to him. And he promised to do that.
He promised to come and meet your people. What if he's another scope to come and sleep with you? I'll run back to the city again.
That's not going to happen. He gave me his words. Anyways, how are you preparing for Christmas?
Let me tell you something. By tomorrow, I will go and make my hair, repackage myself. Two of my mom's friends told my mom that their sons are coming for Christmas. And they are looking for a well-behaved girl to get married to. Wow. I now need to repackage myself now. Maybe I'll find my luck this Christmas. Yes, so...
Okay.
This Christmas is going to be hot. 1 in a million, trust me.
Okay. Voila. This way.
Where the money now? Where the money now? So been a laptop. Roland press buy house. 125 million I've been waiting. Now this same laptop, Mike press. Now in the biker every week like bushmeat. My own thing I go buy. So you dey give money now? I don't know since laptop. You give money. Come on, once the money starts coming out, I'm packing it here. But what time will the money come? I think I need to set it up. Where is the money? Laptop, where is the money? Offload now, this bag no be for fancy. Where is the money? I never press you rich. Okay. Where the money? Shebi na through laptop, roll and buy house, 100 and something million. through laptop, Mike the biker like bushmeat. I beg, the hours come. Give me my own. Where the money? Am I not using it well?
Papa, you sent for me?
Yes, sit down, sit down.
Okay, thank you, Papa.
Yes. I just wanted to ask you, that my prospective son-in-law, yeah, is he still interested in you?
Yes, Papa. As a matter of fact, I just spoke with him a moment ago at the backyard.
Good. Don't you think he needs to send us money for Christmas? I mean, you should call him, yeah? Let him send us money, rice, items for Christmas, yeah? This Christmas we're talking about is around the corner, just around the corner, yeah? Few days from now, it's Christmas. Well, you want us to have a dry Christmas?
No, Papa. Don't worry, I will talk to him.
Oh, that is good, eh? That's my daughter, eh? But don't just talk to him, pressurize him. Mount pressure. Well, so he will send money. Money to the old. That's all we need now, eh? To be fresh. You understand? Yeah, that is good. Yeah.
I understand, Papa. Don't worry, I'll do the job.
I know you. I trust you. That's why I wanted to tell you about it, eh? Beckham.
I'll do the job.
That's my daughter. I love Beckham.
Papa.
Mama. I don't know. Yeah.
Ladies, you want to look good.
Babe, I called you last night, but you didn't pick my call.
That's because I was busy hustling for Christmas.
But I told you I was going to give you this money. So why the stress?
And what if you disappoint me?
Babe.
What if you disappoint?
Babe, you know JP, man. I'm a man of my words. Why would I disappoint you? Oh, okay. Hold on. Like, how much are we talking about? I mean, how much do you want for Christmas?
Well, 1 million would be enough, but if you don't have up to that, then 500k will be okay too.
1 million. Alright. Okay, here. Put your account number here. Go ahead. Put your account.
Should I put my account?
Yes. You're laughing, right? There you go. Just sent you 1 million.
It's a lie.
Why would I lie? Hey, check your bank app. I believe the money is already domiciled in your account.
No way. Oh my goodness. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Anything to make
Come
you
here.
smile.
Thank you.
So I believe you go to the house from here, right?
Of course, why not? Listen, I am going to spend all of this weekend with you.
You don't say.
Of course.
Really? Okay, in that case, the floor is open now, so let's have fun and enjoy. And where's the waiter now?
That's right.
Waiter, whatever you want, my baby, anything. Waiter, come.
Are you serious?
Definitely, anything for you, babe.
Thank you. I love you so much.
I love you too, baby.
Alpha guy. This client don't pay me, but this guy never credits me. 30k does now. Yes, now. Wanna credit me now? I beg. Credit me, guy. Alpha, let me call you back.
This thing is not working now. You deceived me. I thought you are my friend, but you just proved to me that we are not one. Roland, buy new house, Abi. You bought new car. I say, how far? What's happening now? Update me. You said, no, I should go and buy a laptop. That once I buy a laptop, I will start seeing money. My brother, I bought an expensive one. I've been pressing it since. Where is the money? Where is the money now? Why is he not producing money? It's not a laughing matter.
Bro, keep on pressing this thing, eh? Try hard and convince these people now. Money will come out.
Convince who?
Clients now.
Which client? Did you tell me I was supposed to convince anybody before it will start producing money?
He happy this nigga apotana. Pay your fumana.
Pay again.
Lapwe na lapitopo.
Listen, I'm disappointed. I don't have such time. I'd rather go back to my mechanic work than convincing anybody. Who am I convincing?
Clients.
In fact, I regret buying this thing. Will you buy it? You go buy the laptop?
No do.
You no problem.
No do pass yourself.
At least you're my friend, but it's obvious now that you are my enemy. Thanks for deceiving me. I can see you don't want me to conquer Christmas pressure, but Emeleno Emelana, I will celebrate this Christmas. If with Christmas pressure, I will conquer it. Nonsense.
This guy is not serious. You are not serious. See, Hey, attack it down home, eh? Don't worry. You will come back, oh. You will come back. Hey, I jump the far, and I'll be here. Look at someone I was even thinking that I would take to Baba. You think it's all about pressing laptop? You will suffer.
No do pass yourself. Christmas no dey finish yo. Why can't you think about life God gave to you? No do pass yourself. Once you get life, you get more. Once you are alive, you get more. Once you get life, one day.
Babe, have fun now. I beg, help us. Borrow us these clothes. Borrow us. We will take shine for this Christmas. I beg. We go return them. I beg.
No wahala. I just got to beg you. I beg. We no go spoil them. If any damage just dey like this, we go give you money. I swear.
I beg.
No I beg. We gats shine.
I don't hear. You people are my person.
Na so.
I no fit do you bad. I go run am for you people. But problem dey. Problem where they be say any damage you must pay. Agree.
No wahala.
Agree.
No wahala.
Pay.
And don't be carried away by what you see. Live your life. Don't imitate others. It is better to
Hello, dear.
Hello, babe. Guess what?
You're back home for Christmas.
Yeah, you smart head. I'm back.
Wow, I can't wait to see you.
Me too. I can't wait to see you, my baby. So, what are you doing now?
On my way to get something for my father.
Oh, her father's daughter. That's nice. Okay, I will call you once I settle down in the hotel in the evening.
Why hotel? You have a family house in the village.
Oh, babe, we're not going to get the privacy that we need in my family house.
You're right. So which hotel are you planning to lodge?
I will call you probably later when I find a good one. I will let you know.
Okay. Hope you got the things you promised me.
Come on, yes. I got lots of things for you. And then I got a bag of rice and other stuff for your family.
Wow. That's so kind of you.
Yes. Anything for my baby.
Okay, dear. Bye. Wow. Papa must be very happy. He even bought rice for us. Okay.
Hello, pretty.
Good afternoon, sir.
Wow. I never knew they have such gorgeous, beautiful looking angels in my own village.
Thank you, sir.
Well, my name is Lucas. What is your name?
Angoleka.
Angole, beautiful name. I just came back for Christmas and I will need someone to show me around the village. You know how it is.
Wow. No problem, I can help you if you want.
What are you saying? I do want that angelic guardian. Who doesn't want that? Come on, just hop in. know they have a new spot where
Yes, there's someone will take you to. You like that place.
I love the sound of that. This is going to
They
be
used
fun.
to sell good palm wine. You like palm wine?
You like palm wine?
Yes.
I love girls that love palm wine. This is good. This is good.
This Christmas now for we.
Now we dey run this car. Oh no. Oh no.
Make I just sit down first.
See packaging
Make
now.
I just come.
Ah, my leg.
Wetin
My leg, the pain. This shoe I borrow not my size.
I no go pay you borrow post.
Partner in crime.
See, they say even give us Christmas this name package joy.
Wait. I dey see Merry Christmas.
I swear.
Your papa. Your daddy. Their daddy. This Christmas. Shut down.
Hi, show me nothing.
Hey. Let me chat with my. You understand?
You don't get when you know the chat, man.
Hey.
Come see how that guy dey hire me that time.
I bet that guy don't get money shift, abeg.
What your own boyfriend get money? Every time go dey talk nonsense.
Natasha baby.
They say they hot.
Nata. Nata. Wetin dey sup now? Where your shag go?
Tata.
You don't know what happened today.
What happened?
No, just talk.
I went to JP's place to spend some time with him. And I met another girl.
Hey! That one na normal. As we sef we dey hustle to package our Christmas. Other girls dey hustle to package their Christmas. Which one you dey frap? I hope so you collect money before you comot.
Of course, I took the money before I went to the house.
How much?
1M.
Jesus.
1 million.
Hey! 1 million? Guy, what's up now? You're very greedy.
Jesus.
If that guy give you 1 million naira, allow him cheat for the rest of the year.
Jehovah.
Even my glasses agree. 1 me.
Babes, if my man give me 200k, I go just allow him cheat for 2 months. 2 good months, I don't care. 1 million.
All men are just the same. All of them are the same thing. But I will show them shake this Christmas. They will hear me from my hand.
How do you intend to do that?
Best known to me. I will deal with them. Anyways, I'll be going to the village tomorrow morning.
See, not be all this one they do me. Hey, you see that 1 meter where you just score? Have fun, do me Christmas.
1 million.
Are they crazy? Are they mad? Are they tell another thing? They talk another thing. You they mad?
None of us be thief now. You dey forget. You thief 1 million naira. Have fun. You go pay tithe to me 10% only. I no get big guy now.
See, the thing wey just dey make me dey wonder be say person give her 1 million. She dey cry unto say she catch another girl for a man house.
I been shift to your broke boyfriend. Have fun. Do Christmas for me now.
No provoke me. No provoke me now.
I don't blame you. This eyeglass so you just dey.
Baby, you are so sweet.
I hope you like what you say.
Come on, what are you saying? I love it. My village angel. So, what's your preparation for Christmas?
I didn't prepare for anything, no. Is it not somebody that have money that will prepare for Christmas?
So, what you're saying is, you didn't prepare for Christmas? Don't worry. You prepare for it.
It's late to prepare for Christmas. Moreover, tomorrow is 25th December already, and there's nothing to prepare.
They gather late. Money does not come late. Don't worry, I will wire 50,000 naira for you, so you start preparing for Christmas.
You didn't say that?
I did. You're my baby now. Just call your account number.
01
You didn't say the bank.
Access Bank.
Okay. 01
22
22.
God.
Why is he not taking my calls? Is it that he's still trying to settle down? Okay. Let me call him later. I'll call him back later. What
is it? Why is he not picking my calls? Is he not coming back for the Christmas?
But my wife. What is this? Yeah? No, your face is contorted like the feces, Hamatan feces, you know, when it is dried. What is happening?
I'm not happy.
Oh, why? Is Marcelo not yet back?
Yes. I am confused as you are.
Wait, have you tried to reach him on phone?
Yes, I've been calling him and he's not picking my call.
Oh, this is bad. This is bad. It's not good at all. Does it mean that you will not celebrate this Christmas? It's just tomorrow. It's here already. Christmas is here. And Marcelo is not yet back.
That is what it is.
Hey!
God, why me? Why won't I celebrate this Christmas with my son? Why? Yeah? Not at all.
Oh!
What is keeping him? Oh.
For Christmas, Mama, Papa, they spent good for Christmas season. For Christmas season, Christmas is around.
Ah, the true son of his mother is here. Hey!
Mama, how are you?
Now you're welcome.
I have conquered Christmas pressure.
Hey!
No, Uncle, point of correction. I'm no longer Marcelo. I now have a new name. We have refixed my name now. So? My new name is Max B.
Max B.
Max B. AKA Excess Funds. Excess funds.
AKA excess funds. That means excess cash.
I have conquered Christmas pressure.
Get the bullion van. Let us start offloading it.
Uncle. Let me settle down first. Then I will unleash the dragon.
Unleash the
Agumam is talking.
Dragon. Excess funds is here.
Excess cash.
I conquered Christmas pressure.
With bullion van.
It's not easy now.
With bullion van.
No more Christmas pressure. Mama, let's go inside. I have a lot of.
Hey!
I came back with a lot.
Mercy.
I don't want to open this boot here.
Don't worry. What will happen is, since you are just coming back, I will let you rest. First thing tomorrow morning, I'll come for my share. You know that.
Wisdom.
Wisdom.
It's
that time the bullion van would have come in. Yes, the bullion van will come in. I will shall open the bullion.
For Christmas season, pressure day, for Christmas season, Christmas is around the corner. Time to cruise, I must be long. Go here fair. Christmas is around the corner. Time to cruise, I must be long.
Yeah, we are here. Thank you for making my day. It was so memorable.
You're welcome.
I enjoyed myself. So, when am I seeing you again?
You have my number and I have yours. We can always meet. It's a matter of phone call.
I love the sound of that. Angole, the beautiful angel of my village. Alright. Okay. Then I'll see you later. Is that okay? Later I'll do what I normally do. credit your account because you're an angel. All right. Be safe. Just now, I'll miss you. Think about me. Yeah.
Christmas pressure, no be small thing. Christmas weather, no be small thing.
I'm just starting this Christmas.
For Christmas, everybody want to flex. For Christmas, mama, papa, they expect goody things. Oh, pressure day.
Hello. Chi. No. I'm so sorry. My battery went low, so I had to charge it up before. Yeah. Oh, okay. I'm actually on my way to your house. Yeah, right now. Oh, okay. Just come out. I'll meet you along the way or something so we can go together. All right. Lucas. This guy is sweet. Christmas.
Christmas is around the corner. Time to cruise. I must be loved.
Another baby. What's up? I just did. How far now? Any news from your guys? That guy has stopped responding to my messages. Can you imagine?
What? But why?
He said I'm mounting pressure on him. Can you just imagine that? In fact,
You're mounting pressure on him. That's a sign of irresponsibility.
to the highest level.
So, is he trying to tell you that he's not going to get you something for Xmas?
Obviously.
Well, at this point in time, I think we need to find an alternative. Yes, because Christmas is around the corner. And I know you don't want to come last. Well, one of the guys I've been chatting on Facebook invited me over to his house. Whichever way, something must drop.
Yeah, Chai, I envy you.
Something must drop.
I envy you.
You know that you have to be.
Chai, your one is good though. Do you know that I had to unblock all the guys I have blocked from the beginning of the year till today? I was chatting them, hello baby, hello honey, hello sweetheart. Nobody responded to me.
You did all that because of Christmas stuff.
I will all finish.
Oh my God, I'm sorry I laughed. You sound funny, babes. I swear.
Babe, wait though. That your boyfriend where you say you dey chat with for Facebook? How far now? No share.
But if you don't get what you want, I'll just shut up. Sip your mouth. Want to share.
Not be say man go find man. You not give me money, say man go find man. They sell am.
No do, pass yourself. Christmas no dey finish yo.
Christmas pressure. Christmas pressure. Emerigo Munka.
Is everything all right?
Everything is fine, Mama. But that uncle of mine is always blowing things out of proportion. Which one is I should give him one bag of foreign rice? Do you know how much that is in the market?
But he's your uncle.
And so?
Is this an obligation that you owe him?
Mama, you are my only responsibility. My uncle is minor, so you should not disturb me. Am I his son?
Yes.
I don't know the foreign rice.
You are his son, as long as he's your uncle.
Mama, please forget about that man. Come, let me show you. I bought you things now.
You are his son. He's your uncle.
Mama, forget that. Emerigom Christmas pressure. I have conquered Christmas pressure. Look at what I bought you. Oil and tomatoes. Packaged ones. This is the best oil and tomatoes in town. I crowned it with a bag of rice, local rice, homemade, made in Nigerian rice.
I was expecting 25 liters of groundnut oil and heavy tin tomatoes.
No, Mama, you don't need to buy 25 liters of groundnut oil. Once this one finishes, I will buy you another one. As for tomato, you have cholesterol, Mama. You are not supposed to be eating canned food. Anything canned food, Mama, you need the rare. At your age now, you should be eating sachet tomato. Besides, when it will be doing shring inside the pot, nobody will know whether it's tin tomato or canned tomato.
But big one will serve me for a period of time.
Mama, Christmas or how many weeks? In 10 days, this drama will be over. Manage this one first now. The sellers are not running out of the country. Once this one finishes, I'll buy you more. As of tomato, you need this one. You don't need canned food because of your age and cholesterol. Then for local rice now, made in Nigeria. Are you not happy?
I don't need made in Nigeria.
What do you need?
I don't eat local rice. Nobody eats local rice this time around.
Hey, Mama, I don't know what's up. You're not a Gen Z. Gen Z people eat local rice now. If you're eating local rice, you're not only eating local rice, you're supporting the country economically. Agric-wise, you're supporting the country's local rice. This is the best now, Mama. If you're not eating local rice, you're missing. In fact, made in Nigeria, once you're eating it, it's like you're praying for the country. You're supporting the country. So this is our own now. Okay, Mama. Should I take it back?
If not for one thing, I would have asked you to take it back. But let me manage it because of the season. Nobody eats local rice this time around. I don't even see well. How can I be removing stones?
Do you know how much I bought this one?
For Christmas season, Christmas pressure, no be small pleasure.
My baby.
Good evening, dear.
Evening, my love. Look at how beautiful you're looking.
Leave me alone. You got me worried.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about that, okay?
Okay, so...
Don't worry, I know what you're doing. I got this for you. This is for you. Yeah. And this also is for you.
Jeez! Thank you, baby. Thank you. You're one in a million.
Anything for you, my baby. You're my world. You're my everything.
Thank you.
So there's nothing I wouldn't do for you.
Okay.
I still got rice and other stuff in my trunk
Jeez.
for your parents.
Thank you, baby. Thank you.
Come on, that's the spirit of Christmas.
My father will be so happy.
To celebrate, yeah.
I'll be very happy.
I'm happy to see you. I'm happy that you're happy.
Thank you.
Just look at you. Look at how beautiful you look. My baby. Don't worry.
Thank you.
Let's go and see your parents.
Okay.
I'm glad you like them.
Hey! My daughter, how are you?
Fine, Papa.
Good evening, welcome.
Thank you, Papa.
Welcome.
Good evening,
My
sir.
son, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Good evening, welcome.
Fine, sir.
Papa, this is the guy I've been telling you about.
The guy. Yeah, the guy. Yeah? Well, what's his name? What's your name?
My name is Lucas.
Lucas? Yeah. Oh, you're welcome. Go in there and bring him a seat.
No. I just came to drop things off for Christmas.
Is that so?
Yeah, so there will be no need for that.
Hey! Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay, let us see what
Just
we
wait
have.
for me, let me get it from
Yeah?
Yeah.
You don't need my help?
No.
Hey! Eh? See? Nah. Yeah, they came. Yeah? Tomato. Hey! Mano fried chai. Yeah? Hey! Have a nice! Christmas has started. Yeah?
Papa.
God will bless you. Eh?
Papa,
Look at
just wait a minute. I have something for you. Yeah.
More? What's gonna wear more?
Hey!
There is still more coming.
Ah, Papa, I almost forgot. Let me get mine.
Oh. This is for you, sir.
Shifters! Hey! Where campus? Christmas has happened.
Papa.
It has happened in my house.
Papa.
Christmas.
Papa, I can have.
Wait.
Papa.
Please,
Papa. I'll come back tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah, I'll come back tomorrow and see you with my people.
Is that so?
Yeah. So
Tomorrow?
this is for Christmas.
You are coming to see me. In fact, already you are my son-in-law.
Hey.
Whether you come or not, what do you mean? I have accepted you already. Eh? You are my son-in-law. Son-in-law. Please check. Son-in-law.
Thank you.
You are already blessed.
Thank you.
My son-in-law.
I'll see you tomorrow. Papa.
Okay, my dear.
All right.
Eh? Please, I'll be expecting you.
All right.
I'll tell my kinsman.
I'm coming.
You will come with me.
I'm coming.
You.
I'm coming, Papa.
Hey! Listen, on no account should Bechi know that there is a bag of rice in this house. Please, don't even say it to her hearing or say it in any way, anywhere that will enable her to hear about it. Yeah, please. Meanwhile, I am going out there. I'm going there to that their house right now to get those items. You know, the rice, all the things that Marcelo brought for me. Those things he told me to come and collect. I will go there now to collect them. Okay, and plus the money, because I'm sure he also brought a lot of money for me. So people should excuse me. Let me go there and come back.
Okay, Papa. Well understood. It's all right, Onyii. Make sure you come back home with chicken, oh, because you know the rice wouldn't be complete without chicken.
You are correct. Once I get that money, I'll buy 2, 3, in fact 5 chicken, because this Christmas is a Christmas of rice and chicken. Rice, chicken, chicken, rice. That is what I'm going to do. Yes. Christmas of rice and chickens. Chickens everywhere. Rice everywhere. I'm coming. Yes.
Your father never ceased to amaze me.
Mama.
But no problem. Oh. Let us go and start cooking the rice while we wait for the chicken to come.
Wait.
Rice, no?
Okay.
Hey.
I don't understand the story you are telling me. What happened to my car? Where's my car?
I'm sorry, Chief. I'm so sorry. From all indication, Marcelo drove out with the Hilux.
What? Is that what you and your boys do in this workshop? If a customer brings a car for you to repair, so what you do is you cruise it around the town, isn't it?
No,
everywhere.
Chief. No, Chief. I don't really know what's wrong with Marcelo. I don't really know what's wrong with him.
Look, I'm traveling home this morning, and that car, that Hilux, is what I want to use.
Chief, please, can we drive around the city in search of him, please?
What? Are you trying to stress me up?
No, Chief.
I don't like that.
I'm sorry, Chief. Please, can we go now? Let me just rush and change. Let's search for him, please. Please.
What nonsense? Rubbish!
Chief baby! One and only Chief baby!
Where are you? Hey! Now, fun. I didn't expect to see you this early.
I came with good news! Good news!
Wow! Okay. What happened?
I just met my Mr. Right.
Wow. How?
That will be a story for another day.
Well, hope he's loaded, Sha.
Very, very loaded. You need to say that thing again. He's very, very loaded. He even gave me 50,000 to buy things for Christmas.
Wow.
Yes.
He's loaded.
You can say that again.
Well, my Lucas bought me and my father clothes. He even bought us bag of rice tomatoes, and groundnut oil.
Ah.
Yes, so.
This Christmas is making sense. Yes.
You can say that again.
It is making sense. Don't worry. We'll meet and discuss things later. We have a lot of things to discuss.
So.
I'm coming.
Hey, this girl safe.
If you know wise, they go chop you, kill him out like chicken. Everybody want to flex you for this season. Nobody want to.
Oh, Mama. Effiong.
Now the bakaja ujuru na this rice.
Mama, one thing about local rice is that you might find stone in it, but health-wise is the best. Omaka.
Marcelo, I am old. I cannot even see the stones in this rice.
Mama, manage it. You don't understand. The campaign is support our own. Buy made in Nigerian products. Huh? To support our own agricultural system, we need to be eating our rice. So that's the whole idea. Eh? Forget this right. Let me go. I'm not around. Mama, I'm not around. I'm not around.
But my wife. Hey.
My husband.
I can see you are preparing for the Christmas celebrations already.
Yes.
Yeah?
Today. Yes.
Aru 8.
It's local rice.
Aru 8. I forgot me now.
Now is the season and today is the day.
Wait, is Marcelo around?
Oh, he stepped out. I guess he went to your house.
To my house?
Yes.
I didn't meet him on the way. Then I have to rush back so that I wouldn't miss him. Eh?
It is important you don't miss him. You know boys of these days, if you miss him, what he intends giving to you will be used for something else.
You are correct. You are correct. Please, in that case, let me camp the process that I will meet him. Let me rush so that I will not miss him.
Christmas is around the corner. Time to go. I must be long.
Hey. That boy is not in this town. We have searched everywhere. He's not there. Are you sure that boy has not sold my car?
Chief, Marcelo is not like that. Marcelo is not a thief.
Hey, we have looked everywhere. Everywhere for him. He's nowhere to be found. Look, Oga, I am losing it. And there is repercussion if I should finally lose it. I bought that car very expensively. Very expensively. And if anything happened to that car, even you will be in problem.
Chief, please calm down. Calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. Calm down for where? Do you know how much I bought that car? Do you know?
Chief, please, let's drive to the village. Maybe Marcelo will be in the village with that hillocks. Please.
I'm not ready to do that. I am not ready to do that. You've searched everywhere here. He's not there. I want my car. I want my car.
Where is the fowl?
Did Marcelo come here looking for me?
No.
What is happening now? I went to the house and his mother told me that Marcelo came here to give me something that we are going to use for Christmas. What is happening? Hey!
Well, I didn't see him. Yes. But wait, so if Marcelo don't give you anything, we will not celebrate Christmas with chicken.
That is not what I mean. That's not what I mean. That's not what I mean. After all, 1, 2, 3 chicken, it's okay. Even more than 10, it's okay. But the thing is, thank God I have a plan B. How much is chicken in the market now? That's the big one, the big fat chicken. I'm asking you now. Tell me so that I'll know how much I'll give you.
7,000 will be fine.
7,000?
Yes,
7,000 will be fine for chicken. Get giant chicken. Giant chicken, that's what...
Bring 7,000 first.
Oh, hold on, wait for me. Let me get to the...
Hey! Alphonsus, you're wasting my time. Give me money, let me go and buy the chicken.
You don't understand what I'm saying. Who took all the money I saved here, inside this safe? Who took all the money? I saved a lot of money here, a lot of money.
How many times will I tell you that I did not see any money? I did not take your money.
So who took it?
Can you imagine this question? I can see you are not serious for this discussion. When you are serious, you let me know. I am inside.
Who did this to me?
Why can't you think about life God gave to you? No do pass yourself. Once you get life, you get her.
Good afternoon, sir.
Wanyoma, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Are you from this village?
Yes, sir.
You're such a beauty. What's your name?
My name is Natasha.
Nice name for a nice girl. Where are you headed?
I'm going to see my friend.
Okay, please. Let me drop you off, please.
Sir, don't stretch yourself. Besides, where I'm going to is not far from here.
My dear, if dropping you is a stress, to me it's fun. Please, let me just rest myself. I need to be stressed out. If dropping you is a stress, my dear, in fact, I must be stressed out today. Please, let me drop you, okay?
If you insist.
Oh, I insist.
If you insist.
What's that name again?
Natasha.
Natasha.
Christmas no definition. Why can't you think about life God gave to you? No do pass yourself. Once you get life, you get her. Once you are alive, you get her. Once you get life, one day you go celebrate your Christmas. Once you get life.
Alright, why don't you go to somewhere? Buy things, food. It's maybe also one be then talk and get to know each other well before dropping you at your friend's place. I'm begging, I'm not commanding you.
Okay.
Shall we?
If you can't meet up, just forget about it and don't be carried away by what you see. Live your life.
You know, this is the best Christmas I've had. And you're my best Christmas gift. See, anytime I'm with you, I always enjoy myself.
I know.
See, I'm not losing you for anybody. So it's me and you forever.
What is going on here?
Chi, what are you doing here?
I should be asking you. I should be asking you. So you didn't know that the man you're frolicking with is my guy?
Tell me it's not true.
Of course it's true. It's true.
But he's my man too.
He's your guy too. How?
Do you remember the guy I told you that gave me 50,000 naira for Christmas? He's the one.
Lucas! Lucas! What are you playing at?
Come on, you girls should calm down. You girls should relax. This is Christmas. It's time for celebration. Everybody should enjoy. And you know how these things go. This is a Christmas pressure. The pressure is getting worse. You stop behaving like babies. You should understand.
Christmas no definition.
Bye bye. Bye-bye here.
Who is that?
Good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon and happy Christmas.
Same to you, madam. You are Marcelo's mother, right?
Who are you?
I'm his Oga in the city where he learns mechanic.
You're welcome once again. Please come inside and sit down. In fact, you came at the right time because Christmas rice is ready.
Sorry, madam. We are not here to eat rice. I've been trying to call Marcelo. His number is ringing. He never wants to pick. I don't know what's wrong. I've been calling him. He's not picking my calls. So I'm so worried. I don't know.
Oh, Marcelo is fine. In fact, he just drove out a moment ago.
Okay. He just drove out.
Yes.
Okay, no problem, sir. Thank you very much, ma'am. We really appreciate it, right?
Okay. Are you sure you don't want to eat something?
Not at all. Let's go.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Since you people don't want to eat Christmas rice, no problem.
One day you go celebrate your Christmas. Once you are alive, you get home. Once you are healthy, you get home.
Honestly, I was expecting you to report to the mother what Marcelo did.
If we do that, the mother will tell Marcelo. And he will run away with my car.
So what do you want us to do now?
I think we are going to ambush close to the house. My instinct tells me I will get my car.
Ambush?
Yes.
I think that's a good idea there.
That's what we're going to do.
Okay.
We'll just see how we monitor him around this place.
One day you go celebrate.
Where is boy?
Okay. What do I have for you?
Baby, what will you drink?
Malt will be fine.
Malt what? No, malt. You can't be doing malt. Do stout or enough eyes.
No, I cannot. It will make me high.
Getting drunk is not the problem now. It's when you get drunk every day. That's the problem. You can get drunk. I got you. I got you, baby.
No, I'm sorry. I won't be able to take it. I won't. I've never taken it before.
You've never tasted alcohol all your life. No verse. I better bring malt for her. Get me a bottle of stout.
Okay. I get bullets. I be mad. Bring some.
You're mad. No. You do advertisement. Put goat meat to join.
Okay.
Mugu. Don't mind me, he's my boy. That's how we used to play. Have fun now.
What? Why are you staring like that?
You know today is 25th December, Christmas Day. God just packaged you and sent it to me as my Christmas gift. You are my Christmas gift. Hey. Your beauty is organic. Organic in one.
Lucas is my man. Stay away from him. You lie. You lie, Chi. He is my man, and I need you to stay very, very, very far away from him. Stay far away from him. Amuleka, there will be consequences if you don't stay away from Lucas.
Is that a threat or what?
You can call it whatever you like. I don't care. Let me warn you, Chi. I'm sounding this as a note of warning to you. Stay very far away from him. He is my man. Stay far away. If he's coming this way, you follow this way. Else, I will bait you with hot acid. Don't dare me. You bait me with hot acid. You will bait me with hot acid. No problem, Amuleka. The battle line has been drawn. We'll fight date because of Lucas. Ashawo, husband snatcher.
Oh boy, the game don't cast off. Both girls met themselves in my hotel room, and it seems they are friends. Oh boy, this is Christmas Wahala Part 2. I've lost both girls, but then there's this beautiful girl, you know me, that I'm tracking. Oh, my nigga. Come on, this is what Christmas is all about, huh? You get the girls, flash a little bit of cash in their faces, and then chop the hell out of them. Why will I change? This is Christmas, and you know Christmas pressure. And then with the press neck, the Christmas pressure is getting worse. And with press neck, at the end of the day, the guys will hold the door, they win. My guy. Okay, don't worry. I will call you probably when I'm done with few things so that we'll discuss our next line of action. All right.
Just forget about it and don't be carried away by what you see.
Thank you very much. You made my day.
Same here. You made my day too.
Hope I will see you again.
Of course. Sure. I have to go now.
Okay, before you go, manage this for your transport.
All this for me?
Yes. I know you're home already, but let's call it transport.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
God bless you. I'll have to leave now.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
One day you go celebrate your Christmas. You get home and see your life. You get home. One day you go celebrate your Christmas. You get home. 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 One day you go celebrate your Christmas. You get home. You get home.
Marcelo, come here! Catch him! Stop! Marcelo, you! Catch him! Don't let him go! Catch him! Make sure you get him!
This boy no go kill me. Thank God.
Oh, that boy, he's good.
Thank God.
I will lock him up.
What a nice guy. Could it be I found Mr. Right? Some men will insist I follow them home after buying me meat and drink so I can pay for what I ate. But he did not. To crown it all, his answer. I think I've fallen in love.
Mama.
What is it? And who is after you?
Come here first.
Walking up.
Mama, I received an emergency call from the city, so I'm rushing back to the city now. Yes, take care of yourself.
What kind of emergency call is that?
I will explain later on the phone. There is no time. Emergency is emergency.
That reminds me. Your guy and one mean-looking man was here looking for you.
They are part of the emergency. I'll talk to you later, Mama.
Emergency?
I'll call you when I get to the city, Mama. Take care, oh.
What kind of emergency is that?
No do pass yourself. Christmas no dey finish yo. Why can't you think about life?
Baby, please come.
You didn't start my phone.
Yes, I got an emergency call from my business partners. They're coming from China, so I need to be in the city as soon as possible.
What happened now?
It's not something we can discuss here, but it's business related, yeah. Something big and huge. I need to run, eh? But look at what will happen.
So, what about your car?
My car? It's at the car wash now. They are washing it. From here now, I'll pick it up and zoom off.
Okay.
Baby, look at what will happen. 1st or 2nd week of January, you will come to the city, okay? So we're still together. Now.
Okay, I'll miss you.
I'm missing you already. Come here. Oh. Alright, take care, oh? I need to run.
Me too.
No do pass yourself. Christmas no dey finish yo. Why can't you think about life God gave to you? No do pass yourself. Once you get life, you get
Home alone.
You get once you get
Who will eat this rice and chicken with me? If I had known that he wouldn't be around, I wouldn't have cooked up to 8 cups of rice.
One day you go celebrate your Christmas.
What did I cook? Oh, who is this?
Good day, madam.
Good day. Happy Christmas.
Same wish. Where's your son?
He has gone back to the city. And why are you people looking for my son?
Never mind. In case he come back or call, ask him to come to police command, Asaba. He has a case to answer.
A case?
You hear him, Alga? If you fail to do it, it's an offense.
Okay.
Officer. Officer.
What's a case? Case to answer what? Oh! Is that why he ran back to the city? Hi. Oh no.
Look at her. Man snatcher.
If there's any man snatcher here, it is you.
It is certainly you, Chi. It is you. Anwulika, I will so deal with you. By the time I'm through with you, I will make sure you regret dragging a man with me.
You will not do anything.
You won't do shit.
Okay.
We go to hell and burn to ashes. If not that you showed up with your ugly face, Lucas would have been married to me by now. You just came, you showed, you spoiled everything. I'm the one he wants to marry. Did he tell you that? Did he tell you that? Lucas personally told me that he's coming to see my people. But from nowhere, you came, you spoiled everything. You're a very wicked friend. And I hate you. I hate you, Chi. Get lost. Well, I don't have your time for now. By the time I'm through with you, by the time I'm done strategizing, I will devour you like a hungry lion. Onyala, white witch, stupid girl.
No do, pass yourself. Christmas no.
You're welcome. Feel free and relax, okay?
Hey.
Bring down your bag.
Your house is very fine now.
No, it's not my house here. This is my friend's house. But he's a nice guy.
Your friend's house? Oh, why did you bring me to your friend's house now? Why not your own?
No, I've fumigated my house. So we'll be here for some time. Hey!
Hello, my guy. What's up?
How far now?
I did, bro. How far?
Everywhere good.
I done.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon.
This is Roland, the owner of the house.
Okay, well done, sir.
You're welcome.
Come, let me show you
our room.
Are they come, my guy?
Oh, yeah, no. No, sorry.
You see your life.
My guy, I don't miss you. Check, I don't know. If like someone to see remain that fragile.
I say you miss. Oh God.
Babes, I'm not happy. My Christmas didn't go well at all. At all.
What's up?
Let me tell you something. All the guys I met, all of them, they were just interested to sleep with me. None of them want something serious. I don't want to pay me pass.
Oh, no, normal thing now. It's normal.
Let me tell you something. The only guy that shows interest in me, you know what happened? After I opened my leg for him, I opened my legs wild. After opening it for him, he went back to the city. Guess what? He blocked my number. Now that one mad me pass. He blocked my number just like that, without saying anything to me.
But why are guys like this? Why are they always like this? Eh? They're very fond of this and it's a very bad attitude. That is why me like this, I'm happy. You understand? I was able to raise 500,000 from 7 men.
Wait. 500 what? Hey God. Wait, oh, that is not the issue. Are you trying to tell me that? Like you're trying to say that you slept with 7 different men in the village? Like 7? Because of money?
Why they do like say they know they knock us before? That's what they wanted.
You too do.
That's what they wanted. And I had to give it to them.
Annabelle, you too do.
Nelly, you too good. It's your broke boyfriend. A broke life. Come on, get out.
7 different men, only you.
Have you not slept with more than 300 men since January? Since this January? Come on, face front.
To do 7 different men, only you. You know the shame.
You broke ass girl.
You know the shame.
Come on.
I better go sit down.
What is it?
Relax. Let's play.
Jimmy, let's play. Is this why you asked me to come to the city?
No. I'm feeling you. I want us to make love.
It's too early now. It's too early. Calm down. I will advise you to calm down. Let it flow naturally. Stop it, please.
Okay, no problem. I'm sorry for disturbing you.
I do not say you're disturbing me. You just need to calm down first. Let's get to know each other better now.
No problem. Have a nice night.
Wow, what a gentleman.
Good night, dear.
Sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams.
Did you open your legs for him?
Are you talking to me, Mama?
How many are we here?
Did I open my legs for who?
Your father's prospective in-law.
Mama, this is the least question I expected from you.
You're right. But I have my reasons for asking.
Well, I don't have an answer to that question.
Okay. I will give you the answer. You opened your legs for him, and I think you are pregnant.
No, Mama, I'm not pregnant. I'm not pregnant.
It's all right. We will find out soon.
This season is very, very hot. If you know what's go chop you, kill him out like chicken. Everybody want to flex you for this season. Nobody want to carry last. At all, nobody want to carry last. Pressure there, wahala there, for Christmas season.
How are you?
Fine, thank you, sir.
How was the day? Thank you. I got you something. Listen, meanwhile, cut down on the yes sir. It's too much.
Sorry, sir.
Address me by my name, okay?
If that will make you happy, no problem, sir. No problem.
Remove the sir.
Sorry.
I got you something.
Really?
You like it?
I love it, sir.
I said cut down on the sir.
Sorry, sir. Sorry. So fine. Thank you, sir. Let me quickly drop it in the room and make you something to eat. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Hi, someone. My Christmas gift. 25th December. Birthday Jesus Christ, you can go. You joke.
There is nothing I will not see in this life. So this guy carried his 2 legs to go to the market and buy this sponge for me. Eh? This guy bought me a sponge, just more cause robo. Eh? He's even smelling. Aye. Natasha, there is nothing you will not see in this life. There is nothing you will not see in this life. Even a mad woman will not wear this thing. Eh? Unyara will not wear this thing. I guess they still see me like that naive village girl. But no problem. I'll just pipe low and act like I don't know anything. I'll just pretend. I'll pretend like I don't know anything. That means if insult was a person, me, eh?
Babes, yes. It is only Natasha that this last Christmas favored.
I swear. You know, I'm very happy for her. She was very lucky. Ah, very lucky. You know, sometimes I wish I attract favor and good luck the way Natasha does.
You know what? I am beginning to think that this is not ordinary. Now. It's not ordinary, please.
What do you mean?
Look, it's not like she's more beautiful than us. Look at yourself now, look at me. She's not beautiful than us. We have what she has. And yet, all the good luck, everything good, the gift, everything, all of it comes to her. Think about it now. Why are you laughing?
This is a wig that affects your brain.
I'm trying to make a point. You're trying to tell me that this my wig is affecting
Lely, there is nothing like juju or jazz, okay? She's just been lucky. And she attracts favor and good luck. Our turn will come very soon, okay? Huh? They're very funny. Well, Natasha is fine now.
I didn't say she's not.
She's pretty.
I didn't say she's not, madam.
Christmas shipment is finally here, isn't it?
How do you mean?
What you did with men in the secret is finally here in the open. Nyakwe.
I don't understand what.
Come back here. If you dare walk out on me, I will kill you here, and nothing will happen. You want to walk out on me?
Mama, I'm not feeling too well. I need to go inside.
How can you feel too well? You will not feel fine because you are pregnant. Who is responsible for your pregnancy? Stop telling me you are not pregnant. Who is responsible?
I'm not pregnant.
Tell me who is responsible for your pregnancy. Start talking. Oh.
I'm not pregnant.
You are not pregnant. Eh? Tell me now. If you dare lie to me, of course you know what I will do to you. Tell me now who is responsible.
I'm not pregnant.
You are not pregnant. Start talking. Who is?
I'll talk, Mama.
Who is responsible?
I'll talk, Mama. I'll talk.
You will talk. Oh yeah. Who is responsible? Say it now. Say. Who is responsible? Who is responsible?
Hey. It's Christmas, eh? Babe.
Sir?
So you have clothes like this. Why have you not been wearing them?
It's not what you think, sir. It's just this one. My cousin sister gave it to me. It's because I'm in the house, that's why I'm wearing it.
God bless that your cousin sister. I love it. In fact, I will buy more of this for you. This is what you should be wearing. Look at everything. The whole gadgets are outside now.
Sir, but I don't feel too comfortable wearing this kind of dress.
Don't worry. With time, you will get used to it, okay? I will buy you more of this. I insist, please. You look hotter wearing this now.
Okay, sir. If you insist.
I insist, please. Alright, I'll even buy you more of this. Come and carry your tray.
Oh, sorry, sir.
Alright. Look at every. I want to know now, but that's gone. In fact, come again. No problem, you can go. You can go.
Okay, sir.
This guy looks so hot. One. I should be wearing this long skirt and gown in this house.
Man. Mama, please, I need little favor from you. Just little favor.
For?
I need you to borrow me money. I'll pay you back very soon.
What do you use the money for?
I want to take my girl out. I want to shop for her. I want to buy more of that type of clothes for her.
Marcel, it's time you open up to this girl, you know?
It's not yet time. Calm down. I know when to open up.
Bro, let me tell you, this girl already loves you. Even if you take her to that your one-room apartment, she will still love you. I'm telling you the honest truth. You can't be borrowing money from me to impress her. Remember, the police is still looking for you for that car you borrowed to the village to show off. If you want to build a relationship with this girl, build it on truth, not lies. And you will enjoy her. I'm telling you the honest truth. She loves you.
I won't take that risk. If I show this girl my real status, she go bugger.
I bet you she won't.
She go move. This type of babe go agree follow me go there for one room. Don't spoil my doing so. I go update her later, maybe now. Now guy, this is a normal FK now. Normal fake life where everybody live. Fake it till you make it. I must fake it until I make it. So calm down. If I take this girl my true status, she go bagger. This babe resemble who will be there one room with me. Calm down, guy.
I've said my own. Enjoy your meal first.
Normal FK, everybody they run now. Fake it till you make it. I in the rain. Go get down.
Come on, bro. You need to calm down, okay? You need to calm down.
If anything happens to that girl, I will be held responsible.
You mean she didn't tell the exact place she was going last night?
No. I sent her to buy a milk down the road. She left and never returned.
Wow. Meaning she left since last night? Then we need to report the matter to the police.
Hi guys.
Hello, pretty.
Thank you.
Babe, what's the meaning of this?
For the record, I am not your babe.
Babe, excuse me. Are you talking to me?
Of course I am talking to you.
What did you just say?
I am talking to you. All my life I have lived a street and fake life. And when I met you, I thought I was going to leave all of that. I thought I was going to throw them away and face the reality. Little do I know that you are nothing but a pretender. Like me. No different at all.
I'm sorry, okay? It's not what you think. I can explain.
What can you explain? The car you came home with. Fake. The money you claim to have. All lies. You stay in a room, 1-bedroom apartment. 1 room.
The Christmas pressure.
You know, I used to think that I'm bad. But you are nothing to write home about.
I'm sorry. Like Christmas pressure, Kosa.
Well, I'm sorry too. Because I am done. It's over.
Like Christmas pressure. My normal pressure for Christmas.
That girl is hot!
You're very stupid. Babe! Baby, calm down. Baby, listen.
Let go!
Calm down. Calm down. We can sort this out. Okay?
There is nothing to sort out. I am done with you. You know the Herwood? Huh?
Is that your car? Baby, calm down. It's me. Relax now. We can fix this.
No! I said no!
You can't just leave me like that now. After all we
Don't.
Hello, sorry. Since it's done, can I have your number, please?
I had a quarrel with my baby. They say, can I have your number?
But you heard her. It's over. Come on, bro.
So you know if you wait, make she come out.
You can have my number if you want.
So you know
I do. Thank you.
070.
Thank you.
000.
Yes.
000.
Complete your place. More.
Baby, we can fix this. Babe, wind up. Calm down now.
Get lost.
No, baby.
One day you go celebrate your Christmas. If you get beat up, just forget about it and don't be carried away.
Christmas pressure has conquered me. Oh. Try. Christmas pressure.
No do, pass yourself. Christmas no dey finish, yo. Why can't you think about life God